On March 12th, the world's top seafood exhibition, 2023 Boston Seafood Show is open. Jack and Kings keep pretending for 15 years, working with fish, shrimp, meat, vegetables, and sauce, 5 categories of products. Specially invited Chinese culinary masters live cooking demonstration. We have handmade sugar glutinous rice cake, Chinese Zodiac buns, crispy fried fish, icy Bayberry Juice. More than 100 kinds featured delicious food, attract so many customers to taste and visit. There was a huge crowd in front of the booth, and there were endless praises. Jack and Kings became the most eye-catching focus of the audience that day. Thank you for your support of the Jack Kings. We will continue to invite food wholesalers and catering industry colleagues to cooperate together, do win-win in the future, and do much more better.